Misfits. I am about to leave for work. So you know what that means? Advent calendar time. Misfits, another day of Vlogmas. Oh my goodness, I'm like super excited. Today's one of the days where I get to talk about my favorite scents, and I love talking about scents. I don't know what it is, like I love talking about the smells and just like the good stuff. So let's just like jump right into it. It is currently really cold, and I just got out of the shower like a little while ago to get ready for the day, and I was like, you know what, it's still dark outside. I was like, I'm gonna get my vlogging done now because I work every single day leading up to Christmas except for on Sundays. So for Vlogmas this year, for my videos, it's basically going to be a lot of sitting down talking, and yeah, because I don't want to vlog while I'm at work. I feel like that's rude, and just don't want to vlog at work. So I figured, hey, let me vlog at home while I can. And then of course, Becca is doing her little Disney adventure stuff, so keep an eye out for those ones and all of the Christmas lights that Disney is producing. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get some good shots from Becca's side. Where we're just gonna get me, you know, sitting here talking with you guys. So let's get right into it. My first favorite scent of winter is, of course, I don't have an exact name for it, but it's that smell where you just walk outside and you're like, oh, it's winter. Like, it's that crisp air, and I don't know how else to describe it. Like, you walk outside and you're just like, it's cold. It's winter. It's that smell. My second favorite is pines. This one is called Perfectly Pine. It's, I got it from Walmart. It's like the big pack. As you can tell, it's already been used. I love the smell of pine needles and trees, and specifically pine trees. Christmas, Yule, winter, it all ties together, and I'm just like, that's what pine reminds me of. Is because growing up, we always had a real tree. And so that was a big part of winter for me, was celebrating the holidays with my family. So this scent really brings it back for me. The next one is sandalwood and amber mixed together. I don't know what it is about it, but it's just heavenly. Thirdly, it's this stupid scent. I don't know what it is. It's universal. It's called Illusion. You probably can't read it, but it's called Illusion. It looks like this. Again, I got this from Walmart, and it's just very subtle, but it goes great for the cold, and I don't really know how to describe that. Now, Becca would probably say that this isn't a real scent, but I'm gonna say it is. Terry's chocolate oranges. I don't know what it is about Terry's specifically, Terry's chocolate oranges, but like, this is my favorite snack. Like, as soon as it hit, like, let me tell y'all how crazy I am. As soon as I walked into Walmart and I saw that they had these out, your girl bought 15 of them. That's how crazy I am. Like, I love the smell of it. I love the taste of it. If you don't know about Terry's chocolate oranges, I highly suggest you give them a try. If you like chocolate, it's basically, let me show you. It's basically just chocolate in the shape of an orange. And it's so good. But for those of you like me who have been losing weight on this journey, everything else, be careful. Be careful. 4 slices is a serving size. 4. I could demolish half of this. Before surgery, I could demolish like 2 of them. I can demolish half of this. But no, we must pace ourselves. 4 slices. Finally, my final favorite winter scent. Don't judge me. I hate this scent any other time of the year, but for some reason, once it starts getting cold outside, I love the smell of envelopes. I don't know what it is. I think it's because we send cards, we get cards. Envelopes. Those are just wintertime. Once it gets cold, envelopes. So, those are my 5 few favorite scents. What about y'all? What interesting, unique, or common smells are your favorite? Go ahead and drop it down in the comments. I would love to read them and then see them and see what else people love to smell in the wintertime. And to know that I'm not the only weird one out there. I'd be highly grateful. Excuse you, kind sir. Every time I sit here, he's always like right there smelling at my hands when they're on my lap. But I can't give you lovin's right now. Goodbye. Thank you. But yeah, definitely those in the comments. I definitely want to read them and see what scents y'all like. But thanks so much for watching. Be welcomed and get creative. Bye.